Hello, I'm Adam Barralet and welcome to this Crystal Connections video. We're exploring the crystal of diamond. Now, many people that love their crystals and do a lot of crystal healing or use crystals in meditation, I find often forget to make the connection between their diamond jewelry and crystal healing. But just like all the other gems that are gifted to us from Mother Earth, diamonds are a crystal and have magical properties as well. And in this video, we're going to explore all the different ways that you can work with diamonds. Now, diamonds, we know that they are the hardest crystal on the earth. There is a scale called the Mohs scale, spelt M-O-H-S, and that goes from 1 to 10. And diamonds are up there on the 10, so they're very, very hard. They also grow in a cubic nature, so they're very, very structured in a very particular shape, and that's going to affect its magic as well. Plus, we know that they come with that sparkling beauty, and that can also be used in a powerful way as well. So in this video, let's dive in and look at not just the beauty of diamonds, but also how you can use them magically. Of course, diamonds are a natural choice when it comes to engagement rings and wedding rings. Why? Well, because of their strength, that symbolizes the strength of the forthcoming relationship. But have you ever thought of actually taking your diamond jewelry, whether it be a ring, a pendant, or some earrings, and programming it? Just like all other crystals, diamonds will hold energy. And so if you have a wedding ring or an engagement ring, it is a really great idea to cleanse it and then program it with your intention of keeping that relationship going forever and making it sure it's as hard as a rock, or even harder than a rock, hard as a diamond, or as strong as a diamond. Now, if you're finding that you're struggling in a relationship, whether it be a romantic relationship or any other, to keep that together, diamonds can be used to help give us an indication of what needs to be done. You may want to try diamond scrying. So what that is you get your diamond and you have it near a candlelight or moonlight, somewhere where there's a bit of reflection on it. You kind of move the sparkling of the diamond and allow your eyes to kind of go out of focus, like you're daydreaming. As you do that, the conscious mind starts to quell and quieten down and new insights can come. This can take a bit of practice, but you will find meditating or scrying with a diamond can really help to give you that insight on how to unify people and bring different things together. So whenever there's types of division, diamonds are really great for that. One of the cool things about diamonds is diamonds can be used and programmed by multiple people. Let's say that you're all working together in a group for the healing of a certain person or to send peaceful energy to a place. Either all sitting together and sending energy into that diamond, or one by one holding that diamond and programming and sending your intention into that diamond. Diamonds have the capacity to hold a multitude of intentions as long as they're all faced in the same direction. You can't have one person wishing for money and the other person wishing for love. It's all got to be for the same intent. Now, a really beautiful way to use diamonds in this way is whether you're programming it just by yourself solo or in a group, is to visualize yourself and the intention in a white cube, or like a white light cube, and start to see that cube starting to move and spin greater and greater. And as that spinning gets faster, it's generating more energy towards your intention. Then holding that diamond either in your right hand or the hand that you write with, your projective hand, and sending that energy in there or that intention in there, or if it's a group, all projecting it into that diamond, that will help the diamond to store that intention. And then of course it's going to hold that intention, and wherever it is, it kind of spreads that vibration out into the universe. In other videos on my channel, you probably heard me talk about the 4 archangels. They are Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and the one who gets the least attention is Uriel. You may have also heard me talk about the noble stones. Ruby is associated with Michael, sapphire is associated with Gabriel, emerald with Raphael, and that leaves diamond to Uriel. Why does this work? Well, Uriel is considered to be one of the wisest of the archangels, and his energy is really, really intense. Imagine someone who's an expert in their field and maybe something like science, and when they talk to you, it's a little bit overwhelming. That's kind of how Uriel can be. Now, the great thing is diamonds have the capacity, because of that clearness that they have, that clarity that they possess, and also that cubic nature, they can kind of work to bring Uriel's energy into a a form or a vibration that you can actually handle. So when you want to work with the wisdom of Uriel, then diamonds are a really great kind of way of being a facilitator for that information to flow through. Now, Uriel can help guide you in anything in the earthly realm, and he's often known also for helping to give us guidance on, because he is the guardian of the element of earth, natural disasters. When natural disasters are coming, Uriel will give signs. Also, when we need to recover after a natural disaster, Uriel can give guidance as well. He understands how the earth works, and so if you need some guidance in that realm or anything else that Uriel governs, grab your diamond, ask for assistance from Uriel, and use that diamond to be the channel or the conduit of Uriel's energy. Not only does the sparkle of a diamond make it beautiful, it also makes it powerfully protective. Anything that has that kind of reflective energy or sparkling energy can be used to deflect unwanted energy away from you. Throughout history, diamonds have been used to protect against a whole range of things, from floods and fires to illness to snakes and other predatory animals to illness to poisoning. So if you feel that you need a bit of protection, then don your diamond jewelry and allow that sparkle to deflect the unwanted or negative or destructive energy away from you and back to the source. Some say that a six-sided cut is best for protection, but I find if any diamond is sparkling, then that is going to be an absolute great crystal for helping you to feel safe, to help to raise your vibration, and to help keep you safe wherever you may be or whatever you feel threatened by. Just like all other crystals, it's really a great idea to cleanse a diamond, especially if it's a brand new one that you've just acquired, to let go of the energy of other people that have touched it before you. Or if it's been around a lot of intense energy or you want to reset the intention in that diamond, then definitely cleanse it. Now, there's a couple of ways that I like to cleanse diamonds. The first way is using the element of earth. The earth is about strength and solidarity, and we really want that from a diamond sometimes to bring that energy in. So placing it on the earth or even burying it in the earth, of course, if this is an expensive diamond, be very careful where you're burying it to make sure that you can get it back. If you are looking for more of a kind of magical energy to be imbued within that diamond as you cleanse it, then popping it out under the full moon can be really, really powerful. The full moon in Taurus is a really great time to work with diamonds because the full moon in Taurus obviously is about magical workings around material and financial security. What plant do I really like with diamond? I really like ginger. Diamond has this empowering energy, as does ginger as well. So if you want to kind of bring in an essential oil, working with ginger can help to raise your energy and increase any working you're doing with your diamond. When it comes to animal, well, one of the animals that's sacred to Archangel Uriel is the bear. The bear obviously is very much again about that strength and also that maternal protection. So you can bring in the energy of bear as well. Now, I should say when it comes to diamonds, sometimes our mind goes straight away to those, those sparkling gems that we see in jewelry stores that can often be quite expensive. But sometimes you can find raw diamonds and they can be really powerful. They still possess the same energy just because they haven't been polished. If you do want to work with any of the magical attributes I've talked about but don't have access to a diamond, there are some substitutes. First of all, you may be able to see my pendant right here. That is the Herkimer Diamond. Now, Herkimer Diamonds are actually not a diamond. They are actually a type of quartz. In fact, they're the most kind of beautiful quartz in the world. They often grow double terminated, so points on both sides. And whereas diamonds actually need man's work to make them beautiful, guess what? Herkimers are naturally beautiful as well. This can be a worthy substitute for working with Uriel or any of the diamond work, or just because you like Herkimer diamonds, and you can check out my other video on that as well. Another worthy substitute are clear topazes, but nothing beats a pure diamond. Of course, diamonds are made purely out of carbon, which is the building block of life on this planet. So whenever we want to build on the success we've already got, then guess what? Working with a carbon, which is obviously diamond, helps us to build our life into something more impressive and bring abundance into our lives. Astrologically, I would associate diamonds with the sun, again with that power and bringing in that strength as well. I'd love to know, have you treated your diamonds magically, or have you forgotten about them as you walk around with your engagement ring or some diamond earrings, not realizing that that is part of your crystal collection? Is there any experiences you've had with crystals and in particular diamonds that you can share with in the comments as well? When we learn and share in the comment section, we all get different ideas, and together we've become a bit of a community of crystal lovers around the world. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.